Hello everyone. Today, early morning today, happens to be one of those days I wake up, come across news that force me to become even more reflective. And as I think, I ponder over how we are going to match thinking with action. When I say we now, I mean all of us, because the task ahead is not the job of one man, neither is it the job of two men, neither is it the job of three men. It is the job of every person of goodwill. I got up in the morning and read a post by my brother, Dr. Ogwueleka of Nnewi, who practices medicine abroad. He dealt with, or rather his post dealt with, the high attrition rate, the high death rate of Igbo celebrities. I went through the list with much sadness. Only very few of the over 10 celebrities that our brother talked about lived up to 70 years. Majority of the actors and actresses lost their lives in their 20s and 30s and 40s. These were privileged Igbos. These were people that could afford the better things of life. Why did they have to die so early? To me, this means that we have a lot of work to do. This means that we are getting some things wrong. That we need to go back to the drawing board, wear our thinking caps again, and think about how to improve our condition as a people. If these people who are privileged, who can walk into government offices, because government is virtually the only body or the main body in Nigeria that has cash. If these people that can get patronage from government are dying from routine illnesses like diabetes, high blood pressure, only God knows what is happening to the anonymous Igbos. Those ones that their relations will believe that their neighbors had used witchcraft to get rid of them. My people, I repeat, we have a lot of work to do. I believe that our lifestyle needs to be tweaked. The way we see the world needs to be looked at again. As if the post by Dr. Ogwueleka was not enough, I came across another post, a saddening one, about an Igbo actor called Agụba, with his photograph posted. They say that this guy, who brought a lot of happiness to many people by his acting skills, is homeless today. I saw the photograph and I pray sincerely that it's just an acting scene. I pray that he's not homeless. But I'm a man of action, just as I'm a very reflective man. If Agụba is homeless, and let us assume he is, that forced me to think about how to get the situation better. I am urging our people, those still at home, those that circumstances have not yet forced away from home, as much as possible operate from your hometown. Up till today, I doubt that any indigene of my home republic is homeless in my home republic. And the standard of living we can create when we are at home is definitely higher than whatever we can manufacture when we move to the cities. If you are at home, living on your own land, you have a very good chance of living better. You have very good chance of having more oxygen because our rural communities still have a lot of trees and you can produce much more of your own food. And you will basically run away from the stress of paying house rent. Because I believe that stress is one of the major killers of our people today. And brothers and sisters, it's very important that we think about this high attrition, this high death rate. Population matters, numbers matter. Numbers matter. Mmadụ ka eji aka. I urge our other brothers and sisters, doctors, nurses, anesthetists, those working in the medical profession, take a look at the health of our people, at the death rate of our people, as Dr. Ogwueleka has done. Write more about such things. They are very important. Nobody is safe. Nobody is immune. If you are living in the United States, or Canada, or Australia, or Britain, where healthcare is better, more affordable, more reachable. If you hear that all your relations have passed on, definitely stress will descend on you and you will be in the front line of death too. So it's something that the entire community has to work together to improve. Our people say that those that will make sense out of something that is worth making sense out of don't need the thing to be repeated and repeated and repeated. I hope I have made sense, and I hope many people will think about the appeal that I have made. Thank you, everybody.